Unlock a goldmine of hyperlocal leads hiding within Kvcore using Locateleads, transforming your CRM into a precision prospecting machine. First, navigate to the Kvcore marketplace €. That's where you'll find Locateleads waiting to amplify your lead generation. Look for the marketplace icon, often located on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on it. Once inside the marketplace, use the search bar and type in Locateleads. This will quickly bring up the Locateleads integration option. Now, click on the Locateleads listing. You'll see a description of its features and benefits to integrate it with your Kvcore. Look for the Install or Add to Kvcore button and click on it. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. After installation, Locateleads data seamlessly integrates into your Kvcore lead profiles. When viewing a lead, you'll see new, detailed information like mortgage specifics, occupancy status, and estimated home value, empowering you to target homeowners primed for selling. Leverage Kvcore's smart CRM to filter and segment your leads based on Locateleads data. Create targeted lists based on equity, likelihood to sell, or other key indicators to personalize your outreach and maximize conversion. Start connecting with those high-potential leads today and watch your business grow.